Hello, in today's video we are going to talk about carpet. Carpet in fact is a heavy fabric which is used for soft floor covering. Earlier it was considered a luxury item, but nowadays it is replacing the hard flooring material, even the wood, and it is used almost every type of room or area and can be found in hotels, theaters, store, restaurant, school, office, hospital, trains, and even I have seen it is being used in the bathroom. All the area in washroom or bathroom that is covered by the carpet other than the bathtub, and even that is separated by a separator. So we see the importance of carpet in almost all walks of surroundings. One of the good property in carpet is that it is able to absorb the sound and also has the thermal insulation properties. When the carpet is used in homes or for personal use, it is referred as residential carpet, and if it is used in public places like hotel, shopping center or other public areas, it is referred as contract or commercial carpet. Technically, we have to understand the difference between the rug and the carpet. Rug should not be considered as carpet. Now, the difference between carpet and rug is that the if the floor's covering is securely fastened to the floor, it is referred to as carpet. What does it indicate? It indicate अगर हमारा floor space securely means not loose held but fastened with the floor, it will be considered as carpet, and while rug is a loosely laid material. So we should not be confused what is rug and carpet. And rugs comes in various sizes, shapes, design and texture, while carpet cover from wall to wall entire area of the room. In carpet, there is no loose edges because it is securely fastened to the floor and no material shifting, or it is difficult for relocation, and also difficult to repair a large damaged area. So once it is fixed, and if it is being damaged, then we will have to replace all the carpets in the entire floor area. And another thing which is related with it is runner. अगर हम बात करें हिंदी में तो we can, in the old time we can say tart. The children used to study on the tart in the schools. So but anyhow, it's not that narrow nowadays. It is uh, uh, long and but narrow as compared to the carpet, and installed on the stairs or in hallways, just like a path covered with the runner. So runners are usually 27 inches wide and cut to any length. The edges of the runner, they are finished by some binding or the tape. Right. Another term which is related with the carpet is the modular carpet. Just like tiles, marble tiles, these modular carpet are also can be considered as carpet tile. and which are of the size 18" to 36" square, and they can of low cost to high cost. It all depend the designs, the quality, and modular carpets are widely used in contract applications, and these are easy to install. And if any tile carpet tile area damages, so we have the provision to replace small section of modular carpet rather than the whole installation. It is specifically preferred in high traffic store entrance. High traffic means where there is so many people visit, uh, so that in case it get damaged, that particular carpet tile can be replaced rather than uh, removing all the complete carpet material. We can take out the carpet tile and replace it with the uh, correct one. And another feature is that it is preferable because it has the ability to access to cabling and electrical connection. अगर कोई हमको cabling या electrical connection देना है, so we can remove that particular carpet tile and can insert the wire beneath it. But the disadvantage in modular carpet is that it demands a very high initial cost as compared to wall carpet. And another thing, since it is not jointly there is joint between tile to tile, so the edges can also curl, which is basically happens with the low quality tiles. These modular carpets are used for commercial applications since the cost is very high, and there are other features which are very important for contract application. As far as wear resistance is concerned, it must be having the durability, and other safety factors just like flame resistance or so. So these are very costly items. Now, various kinds of fibers are used in carpet, and the selection of fibers in carpet, it all depend on the kind of performance, comfort, durability, appearance, ease of manufacture, and cost. These may be made from a single, means either natural or synthetic fiber, and the blend can also be used in carpet making. And these are the major fibers which are used in carpet manufacturing: wool, nylon, olefin, polypropylene, polyester, and acrylic. Now, if we talk about the properties of wool, as we know, it is very much known for its appearance, beautiful appearance in carpet. In earlier, if we talk, if we say uh, in 1950 or so, the major portion of fiber used in carpet was from the wool, and around 85% of carpet face was covered with wool fibers. But nowadays, it has nowadays become limited to only 1% of total carpet fiber productions because of cost issue. And the wool has it has natural luster and have a beautiful hand value, but it is less abrasion resistance than nylon and polyester. It is resilient, as I told in my earlier video. It refers to come back to its original shape. As mentioned, it is very expensive and fire resistant as compared to other fibers. Now, the nylon is another major fiber used in carpet fiber production, It is very much known for outstanding abrasion resistance, good resiliency. It has good soil resistant. Antimicrobial properties are also in it. It can be printed easily and offers very much wear resistant characteristics. Nowadays, 70% of fibers used in carpet is from nylon. So wool is very much not very much used nowadays because of the cost issue. Other fibers are acrylic, which is having the appearance like wool, less abrasion resistance, less resilient. So that's why it is used for low traffic area where the people's coming and going is very less, mainly used for loop pile construction. We will talk about carpet manufacturing later on. Another fiber is polyester, which is man-made. It offers softer feel but less durable when we compare it with the nylon, and also it is best suited for low traffic area, and it has property that we can dye it in a different range of color design and can produce a lot of style from polyester carpets. Polypropylene is another synthetic fiber. It is also majorly used for inexpensive carpets. Since it is difficult to dye, so solution dyes while manufacturing it are used. So the spectrum of color is very limited, and it is also less resilient than nylon, but still good resiliency when compared with other fibers except nylon. It is hydrophobic in nature, almost can say 0% moisture regain. It is strong. So because of its hydrophobicity, it is very much resistance to waterborne stain. It is used in tufted loop pile carpets as well as needle punch construction. As mentioned, it is used in low cost carpets construction. It cannot be rot, no fungus, mildew, or no shrinkage problem is there. So probably polyolefin, polypropylene is also being used. That's it for today. We'll talk about types of carpets and other things in the next video. Thank you.